Hey, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to understand memset. That's another useful function that you can use to set characters in a memory block. Let's go ahead and understand this using an example. I already have declared this character array there, my_str, as you can see, and that is initialized with this string. Now say we want to replace these first 4 characters with some different character, say by @sign. Then we can do that using the memset function. The memset function works in this way. It requires 3 parameters. The first parameter is the address from where you want to start the changing. And it's the base address, right? Because we want to start the changing here from the very beginning of this string. So it's going to be my_str. That's the base address of that string. And then you need to supply the replacement character by which you want to set those 4 characters, and that is @ for our example. And then you need to mention the number of characters which is to be set using by this memset function. So it's going to be 4 actually. So all these 4 characters are going to be replaced with this @ from the beginning of this string, right? So let's go ahead and print this. I'll print the content of my str to see the effects. And here we go. I'll run this build and run. So you can see that first 4 characters are changed or replaced with that memset function. Now let's see how we can do that for these 4 characters. We want to change these 4 characters instead of the first 4 characters. Then actually you need to supply the base address, I mean the address here for this b, right? And that is actually the base plus 5. That is actually 5 character away from the very beginning. So it should be my_str plus 5. Now see, this is going to be changed. I'll run this once more and you can see that the second blah has been changed. Now say if you have a dynamic memory there, say this p has been allocated dynamically using the malloc call in this way, character pointer malloc size of character times 20. So the size of this dynamic memory is 20 elements, and you want to set all those 20 characters with a specific character, say null character. Then you can do that using memset as well. Say memset, and then the first parameter is the base address, that's p, and then we need to give the character by which we want to replace all of those characters, and the size is 20. Now all those 20 characters in this dynamic location pointed by p will be replaced by that null character. Now say for the first 19 characters you want minus sign there, so you can do in this way. Now this time the first 19 characters are going to be set with this minus sign. Now if I print this p, then we are going to get all those 19 characters at the beginning, right? That's a complete string. As you can see, the last character is actually the null and all the first 19 characters are minus sign. So this is a complete string. So if I print this, we are going to get all those 19 characters. Let's go ahead and see. So here it is. You can see that all those 19 characters printed. So that is how you can use the memset function to set a certain region or certain number of characters in a memory block. Thank you for watching this.